goes to Mr. G. Ashok Kumar. G. Ashok Kumar is Additional Secretary, Ministry of Jal Shakti and Mission Director, National Water Mission, Government of India. Mr. J.P. Singh, Deputy Secretary, National Water Mission, Ministry of Jal Shakti, will take this on behalf of Mr. G. Ashok Kumar. Mr. G. Ashok Kumar would be getting this award for his project Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain under the category Water Conservation. Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain as one of the flagship schemes of Ministry of Jal Shakti. It is basically a communication outreach program which has made massive strides on social media. So many congratulations to you, and I would like to request Mr. J.P. Singh, Deputy Secretary, National Water Mission, to say a few words about Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain initiative.
I thank the esteemed jury and all concerned for choosing National Water Mission for these awards. I think these awards, through these awards, we spark a sort of debate around the need for the water conservation and also highlight the need for sustainable initiatives in the management of water resources across segments and sector. I think everyone of us would agree that water conservation has become an essential aspect of our lives, considering the present scenario of water sector in the country. Now, the impact of water scarcity is already being felt, and situation, I think, may deteriorate further if the water conservation is not taken up as a social responsibility. Honorable Prime Minister also, time and again, and for different forums, he has been given a clear call for water conservation, on the water conservation. With this end in view, we started Jal Shakti Abhiyan in 2019, which was taken up in the 256 districts and water stressed 1592 water stressed blocks across the country. We plan to take up water Jal Shakti Abhiyan in 2020, covering all the districts and all the blocks of the country. But due to this COVID pandemic, it could not be taken up. So National Water Mission took up the Catch the Rain campaign with the tagline, catch the rain where it falls when it falls, in order to nudge all these stakeholders to create rainwater harvesting structures suitable to climatic conditions and subsoil strata. This was in the last year, and the campaign evoked a very good response across the country. Now, in continuation, Honorable PM this year launched Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain campaign on 22nd March, the World Water Day, which is now being taken up in all the districts, rural as well as urban areas, and during the pre-monsoon and monsoon period, that is from March 2021 to 30th November 2021. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan, it not only deals with the water conservation, but also aims at inculcating a behavioral change within the citizens of the country. The water should always be a subject of Chetana and Chintan for us. And I feel delighted to share that worth rupees 41,000 crores so far has been done under this campaign. Now, we are working on 5 major focused interventions, that the rainwater harvesting on all rooftop buildings with focus on all the government buildings, water harvesting pits in all the compounds, maintenance of old building and new check dams, ponds, enumerating. Main component of this campaign is the geotagging and making inventory of all the water bodies. We have written to all the district commissioners and collectors to prepare a scientific plan for their district for water conservation. And these works are taken up under the Manrega Finance Commission and locally mobilized funds. We are working also closely with the central ministries, departments of the Government of India, state governments, district administrations, stakeholders concerned. Now, this is the unique, the unique feature of this Abhiyan is that it offers a major opportunity in leveraging convergence, working towards a greater vision of water conservation. Now, through this forum, may I now request everyone of you to come forward to participate, promote, and support the campaign, so that together we can make this campaign a Jal Andolan to Jan Andolan. Thank you once again for having National Water Mission for this award. Thank you very much.